Is your password really enough to protect your accounts? In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Authenticator to secure your accounts in seconds. Hey everyone, if you want to protect your online accounts with two-factor authentications, this video is for you. I'll show you how Google Authenticator works and how to use it step by step. First, download Google Authenticator from Play Store or App Store. It's free and works on both Android and iPhone. Google Authenticator generates a 6-digit security code that changes every 30 seconds. You will need this code in addition to your password when signing in. Open Google Authenticator and tap this icon. You can add an account in two ways: scan a QR code or enter a setup key. Some websites use the QR code method. On the website or app you want to secure, get the QR code or setup key. I copy the setup key. Go to the Google Authenticator. Click on this icon and enter a setup key. Paste your key here. Enter a name for your login key. Click Add. A code will be added instantly. When you log in next time, enter your password first. Then open Google Authenticator and enter the 6-digit code shown in the app. That's it. You're signed in securely. Always save backup codes provided by the website. Do not delete the app without transferring your account. If you change your phone, move your authenticator first. Losing access to this app can lock you out of your accounts. Google Authenticator allows you to transfer accounts to a new phone using QR codes. Use this option before switching devices. Let's recap. Google Authenticator adds an extra security layer. Codes change every 30 seconds. Even if your password leaked, your account stays protected. And that's how you use Google Authenticator. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below if you want tutorials for more security tools. Thanks for watching.